how to send high quality photos on WhatsApp. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you on how you can actually send high quality photos on WhatsApp. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to send high quality photos and videos on WhatsApp, all you have to do is just open the WhatsApp application here. Once you launch the WhatsApp app, you will see this type of interface. We just need to tap the three dots icon from the very top right hand side of the screen. As you tap the three dots icon, over here you'll find the option called settings first. So just go to settings. Now once you go to settings, what you want to do is just go to the option called storage and data, which is at the very bottom of the screen. Once you tap on storage and data, if you look over here on the scroll down and then select media upload quality, it says choose the quality of media files to be sent. So currently you can see photo upload quality is set to auto. So if I want to change it, I can tap on it, and here I just need to select best quality. Now best quality is going to use more data in the process, but at least it is going to help you smooth out your photos and then not lose quality in the process. Now you can just tap on OK, and then now you can come back and then just try to send a media to anybody over here. Once you try to send them a media, it's going to be sent in a full high resolution format, as you can see here. And this is simply how you can go ahead and send high quality pictures or medias on WhatsApp. I hope the video was helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.